Hey folks, this is an unboxing of a watch I've been greatly anticipating. I'm looking very forward to this. I'm looking forward to this a lot. And you will soon see why. Yeah, I can't wait to get this box open and take a look inside. So here we go, back with the knife. No unbagging this time. This is a real unboxing. And okay, let's get into this. I'm not sure this is the actual side that needs to be cut, but wait, let me just take a look over here. Oh, this is probably the better angle here. Yeah, this is the side. Yeah. Okay. Wow, this is. Don't want you to see that side. Okay. That's what the knife's for. Let's just get this top thing off. Okay. Good. All right. Got the top off this thing. Let me just adjust the camera there a little bit. All right. Ooh. Wrapped in quite a bit of this. Wow. Okay. All right. More of this. Look at that. We have a little baseball here. Huh. It's not original signature. It's an authorized copy. But it's still nice. This should give you a hint of what it is. But yeah, this is the anticipation. Whoa. There's a lot of these packing peanuts in here, so I don't want to make a complete mess. So I'm just gonna dig in. That's gonna be a complete mess the more I think about it. All right. Just gonna crush the peanuts to the sides. Yeah, I don't know if this is actually gonna work. No, some peanuts are already falling out. So I'm just gonna pause this until I actually get this out of here, because I'm gonna make a mess and I don't want to see everyone making fun of me. So hold on. And we're back. So I just spent the last 5 minutes picking up a bunch of packing peanuts from the floor. So yeah, we're good. And here's the very well protected box. So let's take a look in here, shall we? Let me borrow the knife again for this part. Okay, thank you. Right. So this is not what I would call an economic watch. This is, as I mentioned, I think in the unboxing a watch box video, this is the Grail I've been waiting for. And I'm very happy it's finally here. Oris. Yeah. So, let's lower the camera here a little bit. All right. Let's see what we got here. This is taking a little bit. Don't want to mess anything up, so sorry if this is making people cringe. So yeah, Oris, the Roberto Clemente limited edition official certificate. Yeah. Yeah, that's just awesome. That's just awesome. As a Puerto Rican, you gotta respect Clemente. Legend as a player and a person. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Can't really see it under the sticker, but this is number 1,887 of 3,000. So let me just I'm gonna remove this plastic. How is it easily removed? Oh yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh wow. It's an automatic watch. Of course it is. But this is the part that's really something. Wow. Very happy, very happy. It also has a NATO strap right here. I think it's a NATO strap. Pretty sure. Let's see. Yes, that it is. It's a NATO strap with the Pittsburgh Pirates colors. I won't be immediately changing that right now. I'm just loving the way it looks right now. It includes a little prying bar. Just make sure. Yeah, a little prying bar. But I'm very happy with this. Very happy. Yeah. So this is an Oris right here. My first Oris. My first Grail watch. And a little presentation keepsake along with it. The baseball. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Roberto Clemente Foundation. So yeah, this is all just pretty awesome right here. I'm very happy. So yeah, this is my new Oris. The Oris Big Crown with Clemente on the back. Well, I hope you're all having as good a day as I am. Yeah, take care of yourselves, and yeah, I'm just very happy. All right, take care, everyone. Bye.